You are welcome. This tutorial will be taking us through the overview of TradeMore POS platform, where we check out the features and how it works, how we can use it after our account or a business is created. Now, starting with this, the display you are seeing right here now is the dashboard overview. The dashboard overview tells you the holistic um, at a glance how your business is faring. So today you see the date, you see today's revenue, the monthly revenue, the gross profits, and the margin. You see the stock alert and the situations around your stocks that need attention. This is the revenue trend, how revenue is flowing in, how the business is faring, whether it's improving or not, as it's going and coming, going up or coming down, fluctuating. This is the um, revenue trend. Here you have the top products. For this month, you can see the product that is fast selling and the one that is slow selling. So here you see the recent sales, for that particular period. So here you see stock alerts. This tells you which stock is running low, which stock is out of stock, or which product is running low, or which one is completely out of stock. So this is at a glance, you see how your business is faring. So the next on the menu list is the POS. This POS is a page where the cashier make the sales. So your product populates this particular place for the POS attendants to attend to customers who have come to shop. So let's say, for instance, somebody wants to buy any of the items that are here, simply click on it and add it to the cart immediately. So there are three different ways by which you can call up your items for to be added to the cart. So one, you can type search the item on the bar. For example, I say jiggy. So when I say jiggy, you see the product appears to be added to the cart. Because when you have multiple products, like up to 5,000 products, you might not be able to see all on this particular page here. So you type search. The second method you can call up your product is by using um, barcode scanner. So you click on barcode scanner and scan your item. So when you scan your item, it call up the product for you to add it to cart. The third method is to use voice search. For example, um, I'm going to call up a product. Let me say Techno Spark 20. So you see Techno Spark 20 appears for me to add to cart. So that is how this uh, page operates. And after adding the items to cart, if it is uh, a known customer that have record, you select the customer. If it's a new customer, you create, or instead you use the default walk-in customer. So for example, we are going to use Peter Rock as the customer that is buying this product. We come straight to click on checkout. So if we are giving discount to this customer, we can add discount and give the person any percentage of discount that we want to apply. For example, let's say we are applying 1% discount. So the computer automatically calculates discount and minus it from the total. So you come here and you say checkout. So on this checkout page, we have various payment method. We have payment by cash, card, transfer. Then we also have split in case the customer wants to pay via card and cash, or cash and transfer. Then you click on confirm payment. When the payment is received, confirm payment, then the receipt is generated and printed out. So you can as well send or share this receipt via WhatsApp, or you download a PDF, or you send via email, depending on which one the customer prefers. So you can either print on a thermal paper, or you can also generate A4 size. So this is how the sales process is done. Now, the next on the menu list is inventory. This is the inventory page where all your products are recorded. For example, you see add products, you see the products that have been added already. You can see the one that is in stock or the one that is out of stock. Um, in this case, we are using 5 quantity as our minimum stock. So when it gets to 5, the system alerts you that your product or your item is low. When it goes to 0, it means the product is out of stock. So this is how it runs. Um, Here, before you before you um create your product, it is wise to create category so that you will be able to organize your business very well in a professional way. So you create category. After creating category, you now enter and create the product. You After adding the products, in the process of adding the product, this is where you give the product details, the supplier detail, the category, the barcode, the stock tracking, then the quantity, then any narration, you enter it, and you have successfully created. And you can as well add image if you wish to add image of the item. So that is for that. Now, in this same inventory page, like for example this one that is completely out of stock, if we want to restock, we simply go to adjust stock. To deactivate stock that is no product that is no longer in sales, we can deactivate it. Then we can re-edit the information of the stock of the product. So that is for that. To adjust stock, you simply click on it and do your adjustment. So we are moving to the next menu, which is sales. This sales means sales history. It shows you the selling activities that have been carried out within a particular period. Like this is telling us the sales for today. Now you can filter by date and say, okay, instead of just today, I need the one for all time. I need last 30 days, this month, this week, or I want to select a particular range. So that is how you filter. Then you can also filter by customer. You can filter by invoice number, and you can filter by payment method. You can also filter by status. So with time, when your account is created, you'll be able to go through all this yourself within the first 30 days of your trial. So the next is customer. So right now we are only having 3 customers created. This is the button you use to create your customer. You just go ahead and create your customer information. Likewise, this button gives us the supplier page where you can also add your supplier just the way you added your customer. So the next one is report.